When going for a long drive, sometimes even good drivers can get tired. This can negatively affect driving. To help prevent this, your Hyundai comes with driver attention warning. Using the windshield camera, the system analyzes driving patterns and driving time, and if needed, will recommend when it may be time to take a break. Another helpful feature within driver attention warning is leading vehicle departure alert. When a detected vehicle in front departs from a stop, leading vehicle departure alert will inform the driver by displaying the "leading vehicle is driving away" message on the instrument cluster, and an audible warning will sound. Leading vehicle departure alert and inattentive driving warning can be enabled or disabled under the driver assistance menu. For more information on this and many other available features, please refer to your Hyundai Owner's Manual.